On Chinese penny stock today, our pick is Nova Lifestyle, NVFY. Today on thestreet.com, there's a very interesting article about Nova Lifestyle, with the respective financial website describing it as one of its top 5 stocks trading under $10 that are set to soar higher. California-based Nova Lifestyle is a furniture designer and manufacturer that sells residential furniture for middle and upper middle income households across the world, and is currently focusing on the growing middle class in China. From a technical perspective, there was a strong upside volume flows throughout last week, and this has seen the share price rally above near-term support at $4.66. Should the high volume continue to push NVFY higher, then investors should be looking for the stock to test near-term resistance at $5.50. With its 50-day moving average at $4.45, NVFY is currently trading above this level, and on the back of continued heavy volume, investors should be looking at the share price to test major resistance at $6 and $7. After heavy trading at the start of the year, where NVFY reached $8.85, the stock price has since settled to a more sustainable level, and since June, the share price has risen 25%. This consistent and steady growth should be reassuring for long-term investors after the large swings seen at the start of the year. TheStreet.com was founded by legendary CNBC host and former hedge fund manager Jim Cramer, and focuses on finding undervalued firms based on a wide variety of metrics. Nova Lifestyle is working with IKEA, with the Swedish furniture giant selling Nova Lifestyle products across its China stores. This is likely to be the first stage of the company's expansion across China and across the world with IKEA. In addition, Nova Lifestyle has developed a dedicated e-commerce platform for furniture and home furnishings aimed at the Chinese market. An IBIS World US Furniture Industry report states that furniture e-commerce sales in China rose 60% in 2013. And with 3/4 of China's urban households approaching middle-class status within a decade, the demand for Western furniture will continue to grow. The company has a strong track record of posting net profits, and as the firm expands, investors should expect this to continue. Welcome to a Chinese penny stock update. Nova Lifestyle has just announced that it's seen a 200% increase in online sales through Tmall and JD.com in China. The online sales for July and August show a strong upwards trend relative to the first half of the year. And this large increase was partly achieved through the sale of its furniture brand Wardrobao, which is sold exclusively in China via the Tmall and JD.com online shopping platforms. China's online shopping industry has seen exponential growth in the past few years, and it has quickly become the world's second largest online shopping market, behind the US. However, its internet population is much larger than the US, and there's still a lot of scope for the industry to expand further, which will benefit product manufacturers such as Nova Lifestyle. This news comes ahead of the highly anticipated Alibaba IPO, which has seen international investors taking a much closer look at the industry as a whole. Looking at the performance of Nova Lifestyle's stock price over the past few months, there's been a reasonably consistent upwards trend. Investors will be looking for this to continue as the stock price trades within an upwards channel, with resistance at $5.40 and support at $4.80 and $4.45.